What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rico Flex TV, and it is 7:10, so I can't scream because my grandma is gonna wake up. So let's go weigh ourselves. Alright, guys, so starting today, I'll be doing this challenge called I don't know what it's called, but it's a 200 ab a day challenge. So every single day, starting Monday, you're gonna be doing 200 crunches. You could do it, just set your own goals. If you're like kind of on the big side, just try doing 50. So you could do 25, in the morning, and then 25 at night before you go to sleep. Just some basic crunches I'm gonna show you in a bit. And if you're like in the more, your lighter side, and you want to push yourself, you could do 100 a day. You could do 50 in the morning and 50 at night. And if you're like on the more advanced, you want to go push yourself, you want to go the extra mile, you want to be that flexer, I recommend doing 200 crunches a day. So you do 100 in the morning and then 100 at night. That's what I'm gonna be doing. That's what we're gonna be doing today. It's just a basic challenge for the week to get those abs pop out, because I've been slacking. My grandma's over here, and I've been eating some tamales. Picture right here about tamales. And yeah, man. So let's get to the workout. Alright, guys, so you can either do the 100 at once if you're a beast, or you could do it in 5 sets. You could divide it however you want. You could do 10 sets of 10, you could do 5 sets of 20, you could do 2 sets of 50. It doesn't matter. As long as you get that 100 in, you're good. So let's get back to it. Make sure you guys stay to the end of the video, because I'm gonna give you guys a tip. It's gonna help you get those 6-pack, alright, and make yourself accountable for it. So stay to the end of the video. Alright guys, so here's the current physique. I just got done with that workout. You know, I'm not flexing. You know, I'm relaxed. I'm cool. Alright? You know. See, right now I'm flexing. But right now I'm not flexing. Flex, no flex. Alright? So, 1 week, guys. I'm going to do this challenge for 1 week. And if I don't see results, I'm going to tell you guys to don't do it. But if I see results, I'm going to let you guys know. Hopefully you guys are going to try it with me. And, you know, hold yourself accountable. And I'm going to show you guys the tip that's going to help you get these abs as fast, as quick as possible. So, let's get to it. You got to write it down on paper, right? So, it's the 1 week challenge. You can do 100 in the morning and 100 at night, or you could do the 200 in the morning or the 200 at night. It doesn't matter. But you got Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Well, you see it on the paper, guys. So what you're gonna do on Monday morning or at night, however you guys set it up, just write it down. It's gonna help you guys stay focused, stay you know, it's gonna hold yourself accountable for it. So when you're done with Monday and you're done with the 100 crunches or sit-ups, whatever exercise you choose to do, guys, you know, you're just gonna cross it out. Go to the night and you're gonna cross it out. That feeling of crossing something out is gonna feel so awesome. It's gonna motivate you to keep going. So do this, guys. For if you want to get that 6-pack, just write it down, scratch it off. I'm telling you guys, scratch that off with the paper, man. You're gonna feel so, like, you're gonna have that feeling of accomplishment, that you did something productive today, and it's gonna motivate you. It's gonna get in your head, and then you're gonna keep on doing it, and you're gonna love it, and you're gonna make it fun, and we are gonna get shredded, and we are gonna look sexy. So don't forget to like my videos, subscribe if you're a new subscriber. My name is Rico. I make videos about health, fitness, and how to stay sexy. Just kidding. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you help the boy out with a like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I make videos every Saturday, even though I've been slacking, but I make videos every Saturday. Alright, so y'all stay flexing, and I'll catch you on next.
My enemies, your enemies, cause you ain't never had a friend like me. I'm down for you, so ride with me. My enemies, your enemies, cause you ain't never had a friend like me. Nobody knows where we'll be. My enemies, your enemies, cause you ain't never had a friend like me. How can I be blamed?